Bella Bin's Chinese food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a very easy, very quick recipe that is potato salad Chinese style recipe. The main ingredients are potato and carrot, and the others are shown on this photo. First, I peel the potato and the carrots and clean the green onion and garlic. Then we start to cut this potato. Cut it into thin slices. Then cut thin slices into tiny threads. You can use a grater to do this job for you. That will be easier. After we finish to cut this potato, we need to put the threaded potato into the clean cold water in the container. Next, we cut this carrot into thin slices first. Then cut those thin slices into tiny threads. Then put the threads into a plate. Next, we cut this green onion. I only use the green onion leaves part in this recipe. Cut the green onion leaves into small pieces. Now, the threaded carrot and the chopped green onions are ready. Next, we press the garlic clove against the cutting board. Then we chop them into small pieces. Now, the chopped garlic is ready. Now, we go back to the thread potato container. We stir and rinse the thread potatoes, then take them out, put them into the plate. Next, we add 1 liter of cold water into the Dutch oven, then use high heat to boil the water. When the water is boiling, we add in the threaded carrots. Boiling about 30 seconds. Then we add in threaded potatoes. Boiling about 30 seconds again. In the glass container beside, we prepared the cold clean water. After we take out the mixed threaded, then we drop the mixture in the cold water. When the potato and the carrots are cooled down in the glass container, we drain the water out. Use a wire strainer. Next, we add the chopped garlic pieces on the top of the mixture in the glass container. Next, we heat a small stir-fry pan over low heat. Then add in oil, add in Sichuan peppercorn, stir fry, continue stir fry until the oil is just start to smoke. It's totally around 3 minutes. Then we move the pan off the heat and drop the oil slowly onto the chopped garlic through the small knife. Now the plate looks this. Next, we add in the salt and stir to mix everything in the container well. Then we transfer the content into the plate. Wow, the plate looks so beautiful. The last step, we add in the chopped onion leaves on the top of the plate. Now our dinner is ready. Normally, we eat meat or fish in the lunch. Then we eat just a light dinner. The taste of this plate you cannot imagine if you don't try it. Many of my friends, they tried this, but they never know they are potato before I told them. I wish you could try this recipe, then let me know if you like it. Thank you very much. If you like my recipe, don't forget to click subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Then you'll never miss any of my recipe. Take care, keep well, see you next time.